I struggled with anxiety and depression. I was lost in my own life. Couldn't really help myself at that point, so I had to reach out.
Danny was referred to the Restart scheme from Job Centre Plus, and I supported him into self-employment as a personal trainer.
In 2021, my wife was diagnosed with a serious type of cancer, and then when she passed on, the responsibility of taking care of our 4 kids now was upon me.
I'm Alan Charnock and I'm Rebuild with Hope's store cleaner. I was actually born with a bone disease. I've been out of unpaid work for like about 15 years if I added it all up together.
My name's Colin Upson and I'm a retail assistant at Rebuild with Hope. A couple of years ago I started to lose my hearing, and the environment that I was working in at the time was a very noisy environment, very loud environment, so I was no longer suitable for that role. Restart were really good with taking into account my hearing loss and helping me find places that I may not have thought of to look.
Restart scheme has enabled us to fill some job gaps in our workforce to enable people to get back into work.
We have a team of advisors who are absolutely exceptional at the jobs. Our goal is sustainable employment and we live by that. We believe in these people.
One of the beauties of this project is you can see progress, and it's not just the hard skills, it's the soft skills, the self-esteem, the confidence growing, the changing and blending into the work environment, and it's good working with Ingeus because obviously they offer a lot of support. So yeah, it's brilliant.
I was referred to the Restart scheme having been with the job centre for a year and not being into employment.
I helped David to articulate his value. I am super proud of what David has achieved. He was really engaged with the process.
I'm Aziz Karagil and I'm the owner of Pet Shop on Wheels. I do recommend Restart scheme because they changed my life for the better. This is my baby, my business is my everything. That's how I made my dreams come true.
I'm Valentina. I'm from Roma. We do Italian style pizza by the tray.
Oh, it's been outstanding to see what she's achieved recently, from the concept of the business through to bricks and mortar. Just having that assistance has moved us from a dream basis to the reality now.
I wouldn't do this big step without this help.
Hope has helped me in many ways. I'm waking up in the morning and I'm wanting to get up, I'm wanting to do it. It's helped me with confidence and self-esteem.
I had this thing they call menopause. It hit me like a brick, really. Brain fog, tiredness. I had a vision, a project I was working on at the time, which is my children's book.
She said she wants to do a book. Then when she showed me what she wants to do, I was inspired by her.
I think the experience has really made me happier. I think I'm having the best of 2 worlds because I'm able to be with my children, able to prepare nice food for them. At the same time, I'm able to do my work. When my kids are happy, I'm happy. I can perform better.
It feels good to be back to a normal semblance of life.
At first I was very, very anxious. I was even terrified of walking through the door to see people. Once I got through the door and started to engage in conversations, it was really comfortable.
Restart has changed my life. It's a company to help you get on your way, to restart your life, get back into gear. Think about your dream, where you're going. That's what this company will help you do, aid you to where you're going.